Time's up. Understanding this common English phrase. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore a phrase you've probably heard often, time is up. It's a simple phrase, but it has a variety of uses in English-speaking contexts. Knowing phrases like these can help you understand native speakers better and make your English sound more natural. So, let's dive in. Time is up is a phrase used to indicate that a period of time allotted for an activity has ended. It's like a timer going off at the end of a countdown. This phrase is often used in classrooms, meetings, games, and when a deadline has been reached. Here are a few examples of how time is up can be used. During a test, a teacher may say, "Pens down, everyone. Your time is up." In a cooking competition, when the clock hits 0, the host announces, "Your time is up. Please step away from your dishes." Using it in different tenses can be helpful to understand. So let's look at past, present, and future uses. Past, the time was up before I could finish the quiz. Present, hurry up. Our time is up in 5 minutes. Future, when our time is up, we'll have to leave the room. Figuratively, time is up can also mean that an opportunity to do something is over, or a situation is about to change dramatically. It's often used in more serious contexts, like a warning or an urgent alert. For instance, "Your time is up," said the judge, meaning the defendant's chance to plead their case was over. In movements like #MeToo, time is up symbolizes an end to tolerance for sexual harassment and inequality. This phrase also appears in popular culture and idioms. For example, in movies, a villain might say, "Your time is up," before a dramatic showdown. As an idiom, when someone says, "Your number's up," it's similar to saying, "Your time is up," often implying impending bad luck or destiny taking its course. Understanding phrases like, "time is up," is an essential part of becoming fluent in English. It's not just about knowing the words but also about grasping the context in which they're used. We hope this video has shed light on this common phrase and helped you understand how to use it in various scenarios. Keep practicing, and don't worry, your learning time is never up with English. Catch you in the next video.